Hey, it's James with Patriot Dryer Vent Cleaning. I hope this finds you well. So one of the more common issues that we come across in our daily routine is clients explaining to us that the dryer just isn't drying the clothes and the jeans and the heavy stuff in one cycle, and it certainly should. We pay a lot of money for these high-end dryers, and if they're not drying your clothes in one cycle, then something's wrong. And that something is, in most cases, going to be a blocked dryer vent. We've had clients go out and purchase brand new dryers, not realizing that the dryer vents in your home need to be cleaned at least once a year. The dryer needs to breathe. It has to have somewhere to expel the moist air, the hot air, out into the atmosphere. If it's blocked, it can't breathe. And if it can't breathe, it's not going to dry your clothes in one cycle, or two, or sometimes three, or even at all. So if you're experiencing long dry times or slow dry times or multiple cycles, let's take a look at cleaning the dryer vent before we go through the expense of replacing these expensive dryers. I hope this helps. I hope we can serve you in the future, and we certainly look forward to meeting you. Have a great day, and if you need to get a hold of us, you can reach us at our website. Easy scheduling, very, very easy scheduling on the website, and that's at www.cleanmydryervent.org. Or of course, you can always call us at 830-320-0773. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.